up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Joy and I go by Jo Mills Styles. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit this subscribe button, and I'll have my YouTube name right on the side here so you'll know where to find me at for future reference. So today I'm going to be talking about how I started my online business, and I just wanted to do like a beginnings video because I am personally still a beginner. I've only had my online business since October of 2019, and so I'm still learning as well. But I do know that you don't need a lot of tools to start your online business, so why not share the wealth? So the first thing I want to talk about starting an online business is you're going to need a notebook. And this notebook has all of my little secrets in it about my business. I literally write down everything whenever I have a thought about what I want to do for my business, or or anything new that I might want to look up for my business. I write it down. And this is just so if you ever forget that you wrote down something, or ever forget that you thought about something for your business, you'll have it right here. And all you gotta do is go back and just look at it. Also, you're gonna need like a notepad or something to jot down your mini business plan that you're gonna do. If you are very serious about this, you're going to need some type of plan. You can't just rush into it. I've watched hundreds of YouTube videos before I actually got started with my business. I manifested it about doing my business all through college, all 4 years. It took me 4 years and after college just for me to start my business. And that was because I was scared. But I'm here to tell you right now, no need to be scared. It's really easy to start. The hard part is being in the midst of it and trying to build your income with your business. So the easy part is starting. So for your mini business plan, this is all the things that you're just gonna want to ask yourself. So why do you want to start your business? 2, what are you going to sell? That's the most important thing. Like, what do you want to sell? Why are you been doing this? I sell clothing right now, and then I'm about to start selling baby suits as well. So right now I only sell like dresses and stuff. I don't even sell jeans right now because once you get into the business and you learn a few things, pants are very expensive. So I do dresses, 2 sets, and like rompers and jumpsuits and stuff like that right now. So that's all I pretty much sell right now on my website. So after you figure out what you're gonna sell, you want to figure out your price range, and this is basically for your customers. So you're going to want to figure out how much are you going to want your customers to spend on your clothing. Like, who is your target audience? You're going to need to know that. My target audience is basically from about 17, 18-year-olds to, I would say, late 20s. So that's pretty much my age range. Yours can be smaller or it can be bigger depending on what you're selling. And after you come up with those 3 things, the 4th thing is, or you can put this at the top too, you're gonna need a name. What is a business without a sharp name? The name of my business is Pretty in Color Boutique. The reason why I chose that name is because, 1, I wanted the girl, whoever is shopping at my boutique business, to know that they are pretty. And 2, in color, I love all kinds of colors. And with my business, you're not just going to see all the same color. Also, I planned on doing every season. Each season would have a set of different colors. And so that is what makes my brand, because I know that if there is any brands out there, I don't know of any brands that have certain set colors for each season that they do, and they change all the time. So that's what I said that would set me apart from any other business out here. So after you come up with your name, you're going to want to figure out your income if you don't already know your income. So your income is going to be like, how much do you make a year if you want to, and you need to break it down to how much are you bringing in a month from your other job, because you can't just start your business and stop working your 9 to 5 or stop working whatever you're working unless you have it like that, unless you're blessed, unless your parents, are giving you money for this, then great. But an ordinary person like me, I couldn't quit my job, especially because of the money that I knew that I was going to want to put into my business to make sure that I was basically where I wanted to start off being, or where I wanted to be when I came out with my business. I think I started my business off with $500. I spent $300 on my clothes, and I spent the other $200 on my business name. I went to City Hall. That was about $25. I bought business cards. I bought thank you cards. You have to make sure you get your bags for your business. So you're gonna need small bags, medium bags, and large bags. And like I said, that also depends on just what you're selling. But you're gonna need different various size bags, and I got those just from Amazon. I think I paid like $11 or $15 for like 100 of them, for one, like medium sized bags, and then I think I paid like $10 for some small bags. I don't currently have any huge bags because I haven't had to place any like huge orders yet, so, but I'm getting there. So after you figure out your income and figure out how much you want to start your business off with, and how much you're gonna want to spend on your business each month that you're doing this, it's all about budgeting. Then you'll be set to go to the next few steps. So like I said, that's your mini business plan. Once you get on that, you should have a good headspace of how to previously about the name of your business. So figure out the name of your business, but you're also going to want to purchase that name, and that's so no one else can take that name away from you, and it's like your trademark. That is your name. So you go to City Hall to do that. Well, that's where I had to go to do mine, and like I said, I paid $25. They're going to give you a sheet of paper and make you put about, I think, 3 or 5 different names down, and then you choose your top 2, and then they pick which one. Well, they make sure that you don't basically have anybody else's name, and they look that up in the system. And then after you do that, you're going to want to design a logo and figure out which platform you want your new online store to be on. So I have mine on Instagram, Facebook, and I also chose to do my website with Wix. I can do another video on that, on why I chose Wix, but that's just the website that I chose to go with for my beginning business. Well, I can give you a little insight. I chose Wix too because it was one, cheaper to use than any other one. Also, it I was able to basically create my whole website from scratch and create it how I wanted it to be. So after you do all that, then you're going to get your seller's permit. Getting your seller's permit is free. It's basically just like getting another social security number, but you do that by going online, and you just type in, hey, how do I get my seller's permit? And that's going to provide you with your EIN number, which is what you're going to use when you are buying from wholesalers like across the country. They're going to ask you for your EIN number, and they're going to also ask to see like your business license. You'll get that in the mail too. So basically you just want to scan that on your computer, so you'll have it everywhere you go, or on your phone or whatever. So when you're buying your clothes, just put that in. And basically once you get that, you're pretty much open to shop anywhere you want to. So basically after I did that, make sure you make your business cards. I made my business cards on Canva and on Vistaprint. I found those were like the cheapest websites, and to also they were cheaper for me to do which type of card that I wanted to do basically. But there are many websites out there that you can choose from, but like I said, I use Canva and I use Vistaprint. Let's see. another thing that I can think about when getting your business. So once you get all your clothes in and everything like that, and you start ordering, make sure you don't order too much stuff. Like, do not go out here and spend money on 10 different items, because within those items you're going to either get 6 pieces or 3 pieces or 4 pieces. It just depends on what you're buying, and you don't want to waste your money on things that people are not going to buy. When I started, I got 7 items, and if I had known better, which I did know better because another YouTuber said don't buy that many, but I just felt like, this is stuff that people are going to buy. Don't do it unless you are doing jewelry or something small. But if you're doing clothing, get like 4 different things, just so you can see what your customer likes and what they don't like. And even before you do that, you can take screenshots or download the picture, post it on your Instagram, post it on your social media, get a gist and ask people, would you buy this? Like, would you wear this? What colors do you like? You can even do a little short survey, because I did that for my spring collection that I'm actually working on putting out now. Do a survey so you can get a feel of what your customers are going to like, or who you are going to want to promote your business to. Because without doing that, or without knowing your customers and your clients, your business is not going to work. It's just not. So I just want to come back on here and say thank you for watching my video. And if you are new here, or if you're not new, please subscribe to my video and hit the like button below if you enjoyed watching this. And if you have any other questions about starting your new business that I might can answer, just put that in the comment section below. And also, if there are other videos that you would like to see from me, also put that down in the description box or in the comment section as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.